just got Pearl so stuck.
Well, is this where we're parking?
Well, that's our parking spot. So much gas. That's not good.
Didn't sound good.
So I'm beginning to think maybe the gremlin is back and all the stuff I replaced did not fix the issue. If you have an idea of what's going on with this engine, please let me know. Guys, we've been here for hours.
You can see the sun starting to come down.
I think we might have engine failure.
Oof.
Maybe. It's a big word. We might have it. Watch it just fire right back up.
What do you think, Goose?
Watch out, Bubba. That's only one cylinder.
Now it's on 2. Yeah,
Holy Toledo.
I wonder if one cylinder's on its way out.
That might be the case.
It takes a little bit of heat, then it builds.
We might have one cylinder down.
This might be a good last dance.
This might be the last dance.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so a quick summary of what just happened.
It's 4:24. We got here at about 2.
Yeah, I've been literally, guys, my hands are ripped open from pulling on this. That's how much I've pulled on
Oh yeah.
this thing to get it running. Let's get the truck unstuck and then let's go rip it. I think
Let's go.
What's the saying? It always runs best before they blow up.
Yep, whoa! I nicked the taillight. I was watching this back tire and...
Ooh, it was already cracked.
Wow. You good?
We're on the lower part of the road. We've got many miles to the top and we need to get going because it's going to be dark soon. I'm going to bring this tow strap just in case. I really hope the motor hangs in there.
I think she will.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Do you think it just blew up?
It didn't sound great.
No! No! Oh no, okay guys, we got a bad situation. So Andrew's riding my vintage iron. This is, I know it doesn't look like much.
She rips.
It's kind of my pride and joy.
She's peppy.
Yeah, I've got a lot of work that I've done into this thing. It's got a really sweet engine in it. That might have just blew up. It smells blown up.
You might be going on without me.
No, I'm not. The other thing, guys, we have made it so far in
Oh yeah.
no time. Like, look at where we are. Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
The hovercraft goes faster than the snowmobile.
Especially right now. Yeah.
Well, yeah. It smells blown up. I'm just gonna.
Doesn't smell great.
Yeah, it smells. Hear that?
Yeah.
I'll go. My diagnosis is this engine just.
No mas.
This engine's done.
Well, I might be able to just send it down that. Skip the fire road.
Skip the fire road all the way down.
Shortcut. It's a shortcut.
The hovercraft is unreal. It was
ripping
working
now.
So good. I've never gone so fast on it. It's incredible on the snow. This is what it was made for.
100%.
Yeah. I'm just gonna have Andrew hop on the hovercraft with me so we can both experience a summit on the hovercraft. See that corner up there? That's the top.
Almost there.
Yeah.
This might be world's first. This thing is so sketchy. I hope on camera it actually shows how gnarly this is.
Scary!
Dude, that was stressful.
Holy cow! So an avalanche came down this and it took out the road. So the road is really steep and the hovercraft wanted to slide down.
Dude, that was so sketchy.
That was sketchy.
Because yeah, I was saying, if you go down there, there's no way out.
No.
There's no way.